So today I read about wealthy actor Gene Hackman, 95, and his 62-year-old wife and dog being found in their home dead, the three of them. And of course, the conspiracies and the stories and everything is already swirling around. And let me tell you, it crossed my mind that perhaps despondency over the political situation in the United States could have caused them to say, I'm done. After all, he's 95, and commit suicide. But the police are saying no signs of that, of course, or foul play. So then the carbon monoxide question comes up. These people are multi-millionaires. How do you not have carbon monoxide detectors everywhere in a big house these days? I have three of them, and a fire extinguisher next to my wood stove. So if indeed they died from carbon monoxide poisoning that was not self-inflicted, that is insanity. Everyone that uses fossil fuels in their home should have carbon monoxide detectors. It is insane not to. Now, if it's suicide, that's another question. Are we going to start seeing people committing suicide over the despondency that they're feeling when there's no control over the fact that their elderly parent is going to get kicked out of a nursing home because there's no Medicare, or Medicaid, I should say, money to keep them in there? And when we start seeing mass closings of public agencies that receive federal dollars to help the people, there's a lot of selfishness out there. And I honestly, you take this as a conspiracy or not, I do think they would love to see us all dead. But guys, to get back to reality, get a fucking carbon monoxide detector. They're not that expensive. That's no reason to die. Don't let the fossil fuel company win.